In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and tighten your edit for fast, sharp pacing. We'll work directly in the timeline because that's where your story takes shape and where timing makes the biggest difference. Start by importing your clips into the timeline in the general order you want. Don't worry about micro details yet. This rough assembly simply gives you a clear view of the full sequence from start to finish. When you're ready to make your first edit, switch to the razor tool. You can click the razor icon or use the shortcut by pressing C on your keyboard. With the razor active, click on the clip at the exact frame where you want to split it. For accuracy, align your playhead first and watch the program monitor as you place the slice. Choosing cut points on movement or at the end of a clear thought often hides the edit and keeps the energy moving. After you've created your cuts, switch back to the selection tool by pressing V. Now you can select the sections you don't need and either move them out of the way or delete them. If you're keeping a portion, drag it into place so the sequence remains in the correct narrative order. Keep an eye on both picture and sound as you do this. Clean selections now prevent jumpy visuals and clipped words later. Next, tighten your edit. Grab the edge of a clip and drag it inward toward the next clip so there's no dead space between them. This trims excess frames from the head or tail of each shot and closes any gaps. Do the same on the other side of a cut if needed. Think of it like shaving away hesitation and leaving only what matters. Watch your audio waveform as you trim to avoid cutting mid-syllable or chopping off a natural breath. Now, play back your sequence and listen for rhythm. Fast and sharp pacing is all about intentional timing. If a moment drags, trim a few more frames. If a beat feels rushed, ease it open slightly. Repeat the cycle as needed. Press C to make precise slices where they'll help the flow. Press V to move or remove the bits you don't need. And tighten by dragging clip edges until every transition feels clean and purposeful. When your playback feels smooth, focused, and energetic from beginning to end, you've nailed the cut. Clean slices, confident selections, and tight trims. That's the foundation of a strong, punchy edit.